Welcome to this algebra lesson on temperature conversion. Today, we are going to master the formula used to convert Celsius temperatures to Fahrenheit. This is a practical skill used in science, travel, and daily life. First, let's look at the two main scales we use. Celsius, represented by degrees C, is the standard metric unit used by most of the world and the scientific community. It is based on water's properties. Fahrenheit, represented by degrees F, is primarily used in the United States and uses a different scale for the same temperatures. To understand the relationship, look at these reference points. On the left, water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. On the Fahrenheit scale, that same freezing point is 32 degrees. At the top, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, which is equal to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Here is the golden formula you need to remember. F equals 9/5 times C plus 32. This equation allows you to take any temperature in Celsius, multiply it by a fraction, and add an offset to find the Fahrenheit equivalent. You might wonder where these numbers come from. The fraction 9/5 comes from the ratio of the two scales. There are 180 Fahrenheit degrees between freezing and boiling, but only 100 Celsius degrees. That ratio simplifies to 9/5, or 1.8. The plus 32 accounts for the fact that Fahrenheit starts counting at 32 for freezing, whereas Celsius starts at 0. Let's try a simple example. We will convert 0 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. First, we substitute 0 into our formula where the C is. 9/5 multiplied by 0 is 0. Then, we simply add 32. So 0 degrees Celsius equals 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's try a harder one. Converting the boiling point, 100 degrees Celsius. We replace C with 100. First, we multiply 9/5 by 100. 100 divided by 5 is 20, and 9 times 20 is 180. Finally, add 32 to 180. The result is 212 degrees. Here is a real-world example, room temperature, which is often around 25 degrees Celsius. We can use the decimal form 1.8 instead of 9/5 to make it easier. 1.8 times 25 equals 45. Add 32 to 45, and we get 77 degrees Fahrenheit. So, 25C is a comfortable 77 F. What if you need to go the other way? To find Celsius from Fahrenheit, we reverse the math. First, subtract 32 from the Fahrenheit number and then multiply the result by 5/9. Notice that we subtract first before multiplying. Here is a quick reference chart for common temperatures. You can see how the numbers line up. 10 degrees Celsius is a cool 50 degrees Fahrenheit. 30 degrees Celsius is a hot 86 degrees Fahrenheit. And body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius, which is 98.6 Fahrenheit. To wrap up, remember that Fahrenheit equals 1.8 times Celsius plus 32. Order of operations matters. Multiply first, then add. Keep the reference points of 0 and 100 Celsius in mind to check if your answer makes sense.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.